Guys, we have an amazing video for you today because I'm going to share a software that I absolutely love, that I think every business and every department and every employee in that department should use. And this product is called Coefficient, which is the sponsor of this video, guys. And it is a magical tool. Now, here's why it's a magical tool. All of us work with spreadsheets. You, your team, we all work with spreadsheets and we're comfortable and we know them well, right? Talking about Google Sheets or Excel. But all of us use other tools, other powerful tools for our business. You might use Salesforce, you might use HubSpot, and those tools have a lot of data, right? They have a lot of our data. But then how do you easily get that data to a spreadsheet? Because that's where you're comfortable working, and that's why you have to use Coefficient. Because Coefficient has live connections in spreadsheets to 60 plus business systems. That means 60 different plus business systems. You can take the data from those sources to your spreadsheet, and the data can be automatically refreshed, guys. That means you'll have real-time data. That means you'll have real updated data. And they have two-way syncing already for many core connectors like CRMs and databases. So this way, when you update the spreadsheet, the data will get updated in the source. And you can even set up alerts. So this way, when a certain threshold gets crossed, you will get an alert. For example, an invoice hasn't been paid in 60 days, you get an alert. And this product, just think about in the past, right? In the past, your team has to spend hours getting the data, right? Then you potentially get a mistake because manual data entry, right? You move in data from these tools to your spreadsheet, then you make a mistake, then you spend hours doing it, then your reports are outdated because you have to update them again. All of this is solved for you. Import happens right away, data gets refreshed. You can work on your spreadsheet, which is where you're comfortable working in, that you know already, that you love. And this tool is magical, guys. I'm not the only person who loves this product, by the way. This product's already used by 50,000 companies. 50,000 companies already use Coefficient. And they have a free trial and a free plan, meaning you could try it for free and you could stay for free. So in summary, your team will love this, you will love this. Every person who tries this product will love this tool. And I highly recommend this product. Click the link below and sign up for Coefficient now.